G'day guys, Damo here and welcome to another Round the Fire video. So in this video we'll be discussing what I do and don't like so far about the Ranger Raptor. If you've come to see a video about Ranger Raptor action, then this is not the one for you. There'll be a link in the description below and that'll take you to my Ranger Raptor off-road video. To the subscribers, welcome back. You guys are the ones that are driving these videos, so thank you very much. So let's start with the rims. These rims, although they look cool and chunky, they actually hang way outside of the tyre. So all these little spokes just expose themselves. They get gouged out in anything off-road orientated that you want to do with it. Probably not the best. The Raptor seats, I mean, they look good, they're comfy, they do their job, they grip you, but only the driver's seat is electronically adjustable. Now, I think this is a little bit of an oversight. I mean, surely the passenger seat could come electrically adjustable. Another thing, I mean, there's no presets in the door panel there. For long touring, long driving, long stretches on the road, you want to swap drivers, you've got to change that every single time. Another thing worth noting is the thigh wings on the seat are super soft, and you really have to try hard not to crush them as you're coming in and out of the car. And I mean, just due to how soft they are, I'd be interested to see in 5 years' time how many warranty claims there actually are for those. The high beams for around town, sure, they'll work because you probably don't get to use them anyway. For outback touring, off-road, like this vehicle's marketed for, they're junk. Come on, Ford, seriously. Honestly, the low beams are brighter than the high beam. The side steps, I mean, the step itself is bloody brilliant. Can't fold it, it's wide, it's grippy, it's in the right spot. The biggest problem with the step is how they've mounted it. It's mounted directly to the body with piss weak mounts. They bend fairly easy. If you haven't seen my road video, I'm going up an incline, I'll bend the step there. Links in the description, check it out. You'll see what I mean. I've mentioned this before, there's absolutely zero room in the cab to mount any switches. How am I supposed to control anything externally from in the cab? Whilst we're on the subject of the cab is common with the PX3 models of the Ranger. So I mean, if you've got more than 2 kids, forget about it. You won't fit another one in. So if we come in the back, this tub liner, great idea. Sturdy, tough as nails, but if you have a look right in the center there, and it happens on both sides, the tub liner bows out, and that's just going to allow water and dust to get in, form up underneath this tub liner, and water and dust, that creates rust. Something I only learnt on our last camper trip out is the Raptor will only idle for 30 minutes. So if you're trying to charge batteries or use the fridge plug in the back, you need to be restarting the car every 30 minutes. Alright, so now we've got all the bad points out the way. What do I actually like about it? Well, I can tell you for starters, that 2-litre engine, I'm pleasantly surprised. At no time does it seem like it's struggling. The paired up to the 10-speed gearbox, I think that's a winning combination, and definitely if I was going to buy another 4-wheel drive, I'd be picking that 2-litre engine and 10-speed gearbox as my number one choice. So I mean, it has to be mentioned, this suspension is absolutely brilliant. It makes all the difference off-road. It would turn an otherwise uncomfortable track to travel down into something quite easy to do. The kids are happy, the missus is happy, means more 4-wheel driving. The inner guards are lined with a soft type of material
which reduces the sound of all your stone deflections. So you don't get the sound of rocks flicking up and hitting up underneath your guard. When you do get it from the steps, but very minimal. The off-road performance of the Ranger Raptor straight out of the box is brilliant. I mean, for what you get, these 33-inch tyres, brilliant suspension, an engine and gearbox that's just perfectly matched. Your clearance, your suspension travel, I mean, it's unbeatable in my eyes. It's just absolutely great. Not focusing directly on off-road capabilities, this ute is brilliant on-road as well. The on-road drive is just as good, if not better, than any car. So the Raptor's fitted with an anti-sway control in its terrain management system. That means if you're coming along the dirt road and you're coming a bit quick into, for instance, a corner or something like that, then this can fire the brakes individually and keep you on track. It's happened to me a few times. Just a little bit too comfortable down the dirt roads, trailer on, try to apply the brakes and she gets a little bit out of control. This just kept me going straight around the corner, no worries. And of course you can't beat the styling. This thing just looks brilliant, blacked out, it's all there. Alright guys, thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it covered a few points about the Raptor that you might not know about. I'm certainly learning about this vehicle the longer I have it, what it can and can't do. I definitely want to hear from Raptor owners. If you own a Raptor, drop a comment down below, say good day, let me know what you're thinking about your ute.